Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create customer contact template with Notion. So first thing, we will create a page, and let's say if I want to create a database, right? So first thing that we will do is we will simply create a table, right? And here what we will do is we will create new database first, right? Here I want to rename this field to customer name, right? So let's use customer name as my first field. Next I will try and remove this, or I can even edit this to some other, right? If you want to remove it, simply use delete property, right? And here you will create a new field, let's say name text with city, right? And that will be applied. Next field I want to set for country, right? So there isn't any geo field for us, so we'll choose text, name it country, right? And then we will use number, which is going to be a phone number, and we will use it for our customer, right? So the name, right, then phone, then city, then country, right? If you have any specific details regarding your customer lead, you can create one more field, like let's say we will add text and say note or notes, right? So we have like those fields for us to explore. One more thing, we will rename our table to customer contacts, right? Now that we have our fields ready, right? Sorry, so we have to start from first field, right? So let's name this, right? So this is my name, say. Then next would be my phone number, right? Then let's see, next would be city, right? So we have our name here, then city, right? Then we have note that this customer is developer, right? Second field I want to add, say John Doe. Then we will add, let's see, 3 4 3 5 and 1 2 3, right? Then we will add city, let's say, then we add country, and this person is marketing department lead, right? So like this we can populate our table, right? And let's say if I want to uh, extend this or use this table in any other, I can do so as well. So here however I want to just use this table for keeping track of the customers, right? You can also filter and sort particular fields, right? So let's see, if I want to get phone number and notes for that customer here, I can do so, right? So just sorting that out, right? Then you can also use view options like say layout. You can use table, board, right? You can have timeline or a list. These are some of the contacts. You can have it as a gallery or calendar, right? So considering customer contacts fit the table layout, so we will go with that, right? And here you see, you can also adjust the placement of these, right? So here you see you have like date field, status field. So if you don't need them, you can simply delete the property, right? So I don't need these two, I will delete it. I can also add it whenever I want by pressing the plus button and add them, right? If you have any particular customers LinkedIn ID, you can also use that as a link, and that should also work, right? So if I want to give it a specific color, right? So if you, let's say, you want to open any specific property, you can click on edit property, right? So customer name is our current property. If I want to play around with this particular property, right, and select them, right, or remove the selection, I can do so, right? So this was just a small attempt at showing you how you can create such a table for customer contact template, right? Alternatively, you can also use Salesforce or any CRM for this sort of task, but with Notion you can do this as well.